In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly analyze, buy, and manage stocks using Robinhood on your PC. Whether you're new to trading or just looking for a more systematic approach, these steps will help you make more informed trading decisions and better manage your investments. To get started, head over to robinhood.com on your computer and log in with your credentials. If you haven't already set up your account, make sure your verification and funding are completed so you're ready to trade. Once logged in, look for the Robinhood Legends section. This is your main dashboard for navigating stocks, ETFs, and other assets on the platform. From there, you have two primary ways to begin exploring opportunities. You can either click Browse Stocks to see lists that may fit your interests, or use the search bar at the top to look up specific stocks or ETFs. If you're unsure what to pick, a good starting strategy is to focus on liquid stocks or ETFs, which generally offer smoother price movement and tighter bid-ask spreads, making it easier for you to enter and exit positions. Next, select the stock you're interested in and open its page. To analyze its current trend, click on the Charts tab. Within Charts, look for the Indicators option and add the EMA, RSI, and MACD indicators. If you prefer a different setup or want to use additional tools, feel free to customize this to fit your trading style. These particular indicators are popular because they help you quickly identify momentum and market trends, which is crucial for making strategic trading decisions. Now, evaluate the chart for signals. For example, watch for EMA crossovers or shifts in the MACD and RSI, as these can indicate a change in trend or momentum. Take your time here and make sure you're comfortable with what the indicators are telling you before moving on. Once you've identified a potential trade setup, click the trade button, then select buy. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount you want to purchase, then click preview order to review the details. Double check everything to ensure it's accurate and in line with your trading plan. When you're satisfied, click submit to place your order. Managing your risk is just as important as choosing what to buy. Robinhood lets you set stop loss and limit sell orders. A stop loss will automatically sell your stock if its price drops to a level you specify, helping limit potential losses. A limit sell order, on the other hand, is triggered if the stock price rises to your target, locking in your profits. Finally, don't forget to regularly monitor your positions. Access your portfolio by clicking your profile icon, then go to Settings and navigate to the Invest section. Here, you can review your holdings and adjust trades as market signals change. Staying on top of your positions is key for long-term success and risk management. That's it. A step-by-step guide to navigating Robinhood, analyzing stocks, and managing your trades confidently. Thanks for watching and happy investing.